Hello and welcome to Black Girls Can DIY Too. So in this extended video, I'm going to show you how I finished the drywall and the flooring and put down my shower pan for my shower remodel. So a while back, I actually posted a video of this job completely finished, but I was having some issues with my laptop. I was also having issues with my phone that I was using as my camera between forgetting to record things, and when I was recording things, my phone died, so I lost footage. It's just taken me a while to put this video all together to show you guys where I am so far in this process. Here I'm closing up the opening where the drain for the tub used to be. The two supports are sufficient because this space is really small and it's just a small piece of subfloor that needs to be replaced. I'm putting down this plywood that not only protects the subfloor, but also provides a nice smooth and level surface for when I put down the shower pan. If anybody is wondering, I utilize this background music from BTS because I actually really like the group. My teenage daughter, hipped me to BTS and the ARMY when they first came out. And, I really like this song, Make It Right. I'm just trying to make things right. So let's just skip to this part because between forgetting to record and losing footage, you can see that I put up the walls. I've got the shower all drywalled and ready to go with the niches and everything, all the edges secured. And now I'm ready to actually get it waterproof. There are several different systems you can use to waterproof your shower, but I decided to go with the Aqua Defense liquid membrane. It's really easy to use. You just roll it on with a paint roller, and with 2 or 3 applications, you get a really nice solid waterproofing on your walls. Now, Aqua Defense is the least expensive out of all of the waterproofing systems, but I didn't want to go completely cheap on everything. So I combined the wall waterproofing with a preformed shower pan, which is part of the Schluter system. With Schluter, they have these curdy preformed shower pans that are pre-sloped and already waterproofed on the top. It's not a whole lot of fussing and dealing with mud pans. I'll explain those 2 little side pieces that I put down there a little bit further in the video. But it just made it so much easier to utilize this system and knowing that I have a completely waterproofed shower pan. One thing that I don't like about the Curdy Schluter system is their drain assembly. I just didn't think that it was of good quality, and the grates were, ugly and didn't have really good choices. So I decided to go with the Flow FX, and I'm going to let my guy Isaac from Tile Coach tell you all about it.
A Flow FX drain that fits into a pre-sloped Curdy foam tray. That's right. FlowFX came out with a traditional bonding flange that will fit into a Curdy preformed tray.
Isaac is amazing from the Tile Coach. I follow him on YouTube, and I will put a link to his YouTube channel in the description. One thing about this project that I was completely dreading was putting down this shower pan and tiling over it. And for the simple reasons, because I knew it was going to kill my back. Out of many reasons why this project is taking so long, one of them is because of me dreading all this bending over, but it's got to get done. I'm using the Schluter All Set Thin Set mortar for this application to put down the Curdy preformed shower pan. Now I'm utilizing this product because, one, I want to make sure that my shower pan is completely waterproof when I get done. Also for the warranty, since I'm utilizing the Curdy preform shower pan, it's not cheap, and I want to make sure that I utilize the correct products with it so that I have a full backing of the warranty for the product. I know y'all feeling my back with me by now. Here I'm putting down the pieces that I cut off from the shower pan. I mentioned that a little bit earlier in my video. I actually follow another YouTuber named Jeff from Home Repair Tutor, and I'm going to have him tell you exactly why I did it.
The first step is to lay out your prefab shower tray and measure in 3/4 of an inch. This is really important, and the reason why is the first 3/4 of an inch of the perimeter of the shower tray is completely flat. So I recommend cutting off the first 3/4 of an inch, keeping those strips for later on. I'll show you how to use them. And then what I did after that was cut down the shower tray by an additional 3 inches on 3 sides.
Those sides are completely level, so when I'm ready to put the wall tile up, I have a level surface to start with, and I don't have to scribe the wall tiles to get them to flow with the shower pan. Alright, I have the drain assembly in with the temporary grate. I'm plugging up the hole right now. I got all the sides waterproofed with membrane and the thin set mortar. I'm going to fill this up. I put a line on the wall to give me a level for the water. I'm going to let this sit overnight and cross my fingers that none of this water leaks out. This is actually 2 days later, and I am so excited that I had no leakage. The water held, and now I can drain this shower, and I am completely done with this part of the project. Keep an eye out for my next video where I'll show you me tiling the shower floor. And as always, remember, Black girls can DIY too.